Hi, this is a room. There's a window, two windows actually, shutters. Then there's more shutters behind me. Then there's this wardrobe and magazines, some clothes and a chair, a poof. My auntie did these drawings when she lived here. Used to live with me, and yeah. And then that's my mum's jewelry and then very old calendar my mum wanted to keep something decent. Then there's a lamp. My bed. And my mum's stuff from university. This is my wardrobe. There's a photo, a picture of me. This is my wardrobe. There's my clothes, my mum's clothes, my clothes down here. My mum's up there, my mum's over here, my mum's over here. And there's some boxes up here. My mum's shoes, and some more boxes, some more clothes. A MacBook Air doesn't work properly. I'll turn the light on so you can actually see. So it's going to feel when the light was sewing kit, a key box, like my mum keeps the keys. My laser, from lasering, laser machine. Some more clothes and that's pretty much it. And my laptop bag and some more clothes and some of my shoes and some of my mum's shoes. Yeah. So this is my room tour. Oh yeah, and a pink Lego ball, a own sheet of some sort, and my dirty wash basket. There's more clothes over here for some reason. Yeah, this is my room tour.